Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Behdeiñkhlam ka ba shisian shisnem jong ka Seiñraij Mukhla bat ka bakhat du ban pendep na baro kiraj harilum jantia kala poino shakabakut ha ka arpo hendeu tarik nailar hapung aitnar hapdeng ka jingipu iping UMP ka Rajya Sabha u James PK Sangma ulawan ban sakhi kum ukongsan ha jinon lang umintri sarkar bat MLA ka than uba welat mikishla kinoyalam Seiñraij ba phera na lor ki hajar ngot ki patba u James PK Sangma ka jingkran ula ai ka jingkit bokit riang yaki khun ki hajar ka Seiñraij Mukhla bagin yo ya kamet ka bakwat bakhya ka rap karyang ka basaiso bat ka kamai ka ji ka badap babyang hakani ka Sngi UMP ula Pynbna ru ban ai Jingïarap kumba ar pholak tingka shaka Seiñraij Mukhla na ka benta ban Pynbha Pynmiat bat Pynphu Pynphiang yaki saudong saukun ka atnar Kaptu ni kijing le nyam ta ka Sngi kilong ka jingken ting knong blai bat ka kenya khlam ram shilang ka balane haduan kenya ka badan hajan ka lau kentang ka shnong Mukhla ka kenya ringkau bat ka tingkhan knong bat yakini ki knong lawan ra shabiar bot pat sa ka jingwan ra yaki rot shakabiar hakano phai Sngi ulang do usangot ki maji uchutia bat ki rurang ba ki le kendu hamadan slot masi bat lawan ra ru shijaka ki lai tadi ki rot balawan ra daka umlang chor nenchnong bat wa chnong ban penhiar shaatnar hachwa ban penhiar ya ki rot la penhiar shwai ki lai tadi ki Behdeiñkhlam bala penyeng hanen ka Sngi hamadan ti khandau bat hadian bala penhiar lut ki Behdeiñkhlam la penhiar se ki lai tadi ki rong ringkat ka bom ka bhuri bat ka shat ka kemen menta uslam ladon hadu khat sau tadi ki rot ki balawan ra shakabiar ringkat ka jingshat kemen wat ka risa ka kenhoi bat hadian bala deb ban penshat ki rot la brat pat yaki kum kadak ka jing penkut ya ka le niam Behdeiñkhlam
Also the villagers work locally for women. On this road, they shaping or structuring action.
Welcome our chief guest, our honorable MP, Member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha. You are most welcome, sir, to Mukhla. You are a lifesaver to me because we were so confused, as you know that our Behdeiñkhlam falls during this session. So that's why we were so confused now whom to call. But really, like I said, you are a lifesaver, and I must thank you on behalf of the Seiñraij Mukhla just by the phone call. And we didn't met you personally, but you have agreed to come. So sir, on behalf of Seiñraij Mukhla and the whole of Mukhla village, we welcome you and at the same time thank you for being here today.
And also as the
the cabinet minister, I've tried my best, sir. Even now, we have really, we have done a lot, and we thank the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, Master Balanghar. Still, sir, there are a lot of things to do. So, sir, ask your younger brother, sir, and also ask the advisor, as a person, as a resident of this village, sir. So, will humbly, sir, will request you, if possible, to support us in order so we can really beautify this area. And our focus in the coming days is not only on the spiritual or religious, we want to project it as a tourism, as a cultural tourism as well. So sir, for this, we're really looking forward to you for your generous support, sir. So with this few words, Behdeiñkhlam to Kajak, such is it, Behdeiñkhlam to many people. Mukhla, Jingïarap.
First of all, I'd like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you, especially the villagers of Mukhla and the neighboring areas on the festival of Behdeiñkhlam. I am indeed very, very honored and I feel so happy to be here. Mawaila was mentioning about the doubt they had about getting a guest for this program. But let me tell you that I would have, in any case, would have come here to witness this auspicious and cultural event, even without an invitation. So I'm indeed very thankful to you and to the Seiñraij Mukhla for this honor of being here for this program, to be witnessing this wonderful cultural and auspicious event. I would like to congratulate the Seiñraij Mukhla who have been organizing the Behdeiñkhlam festival for the past 75 years. And this is from 1950, if I'm not wrong. And this is really a testimony to the kind of strong leadership that has been there in the Seiñraij, and all the former leaders who have made sure that our tradition and our culture stays alive. And it doesn't just stay alive, but becomes more and more and more vibrant. I'm really happy to see the kind of infrastructure that has been developed in order to promote this event so that more and more people can participate in it. And to come to the memorandum which has been submitted today by the office of the Seiñraij, I would like to very, very happily say this, that having been elected as a representative to the upper house from the state of Meghalaya, it is indeed a great privilege for me to be given this memorandum, and I assure the members of the Seiñraij Mukhla, our honorable minister who is also united stand against these kind of social evils, then we will overcome. And congratulations to the Seiñraij once again for this wonderful, wonderful festival and for having successfully organized it for the past 75 years. I wish them all the very best from the bottom of my heart. Success in the many, many, many years to come. This is only 75 years, but there is a long, long way to go. And to the youth of our region, that this kind of culture must be preserved. This is our identity. These are our roots, and we must make sure that it's not just our responsibility as a youth, but it is to carry on this tradition, but also to make sure that this tradition lives on in the future generations as well. So the youth have a very, very big responsibility to carry that on their shoulders. So once again, congratulations, happy Behdeiñkhlam to everyone present here, and thank you to Bailan, our Honorable Minister, for having given me this opportunity, this honor of being present here today for this festival. Once again, thank you so much. Pynbna.
And prosperity. The festival is celebrated for 4 days. And at the same time, there are group of people going